If you're 70 to 90 kgs, don't run or jog. If you're watching this, you're probably trying to get your body in better shape, but running, jogging, or high-impact workouts don't feel right for you. Maybe your knees start hurting, maybe your lower back feels tight, or maybe even every time you try to jog, your belly just keeps bouncing and you feel uncomfortable. If that sounds familiar, stay with me for a moment. I know everything about this because I was also extremely overweight at one point in time, where my back and knees both used to start hurting whenever I did strenuous exercises. So I always prophesied doing easy, doable and consistent exercises, and that's what I bring to you today. Today we are talking about belly fat, the waist area, and a simple full body movement that helps without jumping, without crunches and without stressing your joints. This is not about extreme workouts or pushing your body harder. It's about using the body correctly so it starts working with you instead of against you. My name is Natasha and I help people improve their body shape using realistic joint-friendly movements that actually fit into your daily life. What I'm going to show you today is simple on purpose because simple movements are the ones you can stay consistent with. The movement we are using today comes from yoga, and yoga is not about burning yourself out. It's about control, posture and activating deep muscles that support your body naturally. That's why yoga-based movements often work better than high-impact workouts, especially for belly fat and waist shaping. And not just that, it also helps you melt your full body fat, which is so amazing. When the deep muscles switch on, your body starts holding itself better without force. We are doing just one main movement today with gentle variations. No complicated routine, no floor work and no equipment. And most importantly, there's no running or jumping. Now before we start the exercise, I want to ask you something. Answer this honestly in the comment section below, just for yourself. Do your knees hurt or does your belly bounce uncomfortably when you try to jog or run? Yes or no? Let me know in the comment section below. And if the answer is yes, then stop trying to jog or run. This video is for you. That discomfort is a sign that your body needs support and control, not impact. And that's exactly what we are going to work on now. You can do this exercise sitting on the edge of your bed or on a sturdy chair. So just sit comfortably, place your feet flat on the floor, about hip width apart. Sit tall through your spine, but don't stiffen your body. Drop your shoulders, relax your jaw, and keep your breathing normal. Do not suck your stomach in. That's not what you're supposed to do. And do not tighten your abs on purpose. This works best when the body is relaxed but aware. So here's the movement. From this seated position, gently lift your right knee a few inches as if you're starting a slow walk. Place it back down. Then gently lift your left knee and place it back down. That's it. This is a seated walking or seated jogging motion, but slowly and controlled. We are not rushing, we are not bouncing. The focus is on control, posture, and smooth movement. Just keep your chest open, stay tall, and let your arms rest naturally or lightly move with the legs. If that feels comfortable, then you're right on track. Just breathe normally. Here we are working with time and not counting reps. Stay with this movement. Have faith in the process. Just lift, place down, lift, place down. Slow and steady. If this feels easy, that's good. Easy movements allow deep muscles to activate without strain. As you continue, notice what's working. You may start to feel warmth in your waist, your lower belly, or hips. The warmth is activation. Stay tall, relax your face, and don't rush. Just let the movement stay smooth and controlled. As you keep moving, imagine your waist gently supporting your posture. This movement trains the muscles that help hold your belly and waist naturally when you sit, stand, or walk. Just keep moving. Lift, place down. Lift, place down. You got it. Now let me ask you another question while you continue moving. When you stand normally without pulling your stomach in, does your belly still hang towards forward a little? Do let me know in the comment section, yes or no. If yes, that's exactly what this movement is designed to help with. You're on track. Keep going. You're doing so well and I'm so proud of you. Most people try to fix belly fat by attacking it with crunches, high impact workouts, but belly fat and waist shape respond better to deep muscle activation than force. That's why no jumping and no crunches can be more effective for many people. Just keep going. Now, without stopping, we are graduating to move on with the next movement. You have to bring both your legs together like this, move forward, then backward. Lift, forward, lift, and backward. Oh my God, this is so amazing. Just stay tall and keep breathing. If you feel a burn in your hips, thighs, or your waist area, you're sure on track. This is not a different exercise, it's just a continuation of what you did previously. Now we move on to the next. So easy and so effective. As long as you have a chair to sit on or a bed, you can do this exercise every day. And if you do it twice a day, you're sure to see better results. Remember, I told you, this is not just for your belly fat, but for your entire body fat. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done! So proud of all of you. I'm definitely sure you enjoyed watching this video, and to make the most of it, you're going to do as many reps as you can. Do it at least 2 or 3 times a day, according to your convenience. Now, if you wish to join a paid weight loss program, then feel free to click on the link given below in the description, where you can connect with me directly and get in touch regarding your personalized, customized diet program, whereon you will get your own team, a team of doctor, dietitian, and a health counselor. All 3 come on board to help you, guide you, and supervise you throughout your plan. And all this will be under my supervision. I'll see you soon again next week with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.